What did it do there? See, I've not moved that, but it goes like faint and then comes back. Right, can you hear that? Does that not sound like two?